Hello friends, this is Abhas. Welcome back to our channel Unit Square. In last video, we have seen how we can create the linked list by inserting the element at the last place. In this video, we will try to insert the element at the beginning, at the middle or anywhere else. And we will perform some delete operations also. So let's start.
Now let's see our second problem. In this problem, we need to insert a node with data y before a node with data x in singly linked list. Suppose the given x value is 30. Then we need to insert our new node before 30 and after 20. It means in between 20 and 30 we need to place our node with data y. Suppose y value is 25. Now this problem is little bit tricky because while traversing your linked list, suppose you are at 30. So 30 is our x. So you cannot come back in the singly linked list. So now you have to find a way such that you are before the given node x. Now let's see how we can do this. There can be multiple approaches to solve this problem. Now let's see our first approach. In the input we are taking head, x and y as the input. After that we will create a temporary node with data value y because we need to insert the node with the data value y. After that we will assign the head pointer to one temporary pointer start and we will take one more pointer q. After that we will check if our linked list is empty, then we will simply return the head node and we will print linked list is empty. Suppose our linked list has one or more element, then we will come in the else part. In else part we are using two conditions to iterate the linked list. First is start.data not equal to x and start.next not equal to null to cover two conditions. First one, to find the data value x. Suppose our value x is not present, then we need to traverse the whole linked list. After that, first we will assign the start value to q because we want to place our one node before the data value x. So we will make the use of q. So before moving the start pointer, first we will assign the start value to a temporary pointer q. After that we will increment start to start.next. Suppose we came out of this while loop. So there can be two reasons. So the first one is we found our data x. So in this case we need to place our node. So we will assign the temp value to q.next and we will assign start to temp.next and we will return the head node. Suppose this condition is not satisfied. It means the data x is not present in the linked list. So we will simply print the x is not present in the linked list. Now let's dry run this code. So the x value is 30 and y value is 25. So we need to place our node 25 before 30. So now here in the head the value is 1000, x is 30 and y is 25. Now we will create a temporary node with data value y. So here I am creating a temporary node with value 25 and address I am assuming 2500 and the next pointer will be null. After that I am creating one more temporary node with the name start which will be pointing to first node. So this is start. After that I am creating one more temporary node q. So q is here and initially it is null. After that I am checking if start equal to null. So start contains 1000. So start is not equal to null. So we will come in the else part. In else part, in the while loop, we are checking start dot data not equal to x. So start dot data is 10. So it is not equal to x. And start dot next not equal to null. Start dot next is 2000. So both these conditions are satisfied. So we will come in the while loop. So first we will assign start value to q. So start is, I will make here one node start for simplicity. It contains 1000. So we will assign the start value to q. So start is 1000. So in place of null, 1000 will be present. After that, I will increment start to start dot next. So start will come here. So the value will be 2000. After that, again we will iterate in the while loop. Start dot data not equal to x. So start dot data is 20, which is not equal to x because x is 30. So now we will check one more condition. Start dot next not equal to null. Start dot next is 3000. So this is also true. So we will come in the while loop. So after this, we will assign start value to q. So start is 2000. So in place of 1000, 2000 will be present now. After that, we will assign start dot next to start. So start dot next is 3000. So 3000 will be here. And start pointer will be now here. Now we will come again in the while loop. So start dot data not equal to x. Start dot data is 30, which is equal to x. So this condition is false. So we will come out of this while loop. So now we will check start dot data equal to x. So start dot data is 30. So which is equal to x. So this is true. So we will come in the if part. Here we will assign temp value to q dot next. So temp value is, this is our temp. So temp is 2500. So we will assign 2500 in q dot next. So q is 2000, means q is present here. So q dot next is currently 3000. So in place of 3000, we will assign 2500. After that, we will assign the start value to temp dot next. So temp dot next is currently null. So we will assign 3000 in the temp dot next field. So one link will be created like this, and this link will be broken, and it will be like this. After that, we will return the head. So head is currently pointing to the first node. So we will simply return the head. Here in this program, we have successfully inserted the y node before the x node with the help of two pointers. One is start and second one is q. But we can do this with the help of single pointer only. So now let's see how we can do this with a single pointer. Now let's see how we can insert the node with the help of only one pointer. Here I have not written the condition if the linked list is empty. I am directly writing the logic. So here in the while loop, first I am checking that start dot data not equal to x and start dot next not equal to null and start dot next dot data is not equal to x. If all these conditions are satisfied, then we are incrementing our start node to start dot next. Why we are writing like this? Because we are checking the next node data part. Suppose our next node data part is our data, then we are just before that node. So in that case, it will be very easy to insert a node. Suppose I am out of this while loop, then there can be multiple conditions. So the first condition can be that our first node is the data x. So in that case, we will simply assign our start to temp dot next, and we will assign the temp address to head. After that we will return the head node. Suppose this condition is false, then there can be other condition like start.next not equal to null and start.next.data equal to x. It means that next node data part is our data x. In that case we will assign start.next to temp.next and we will assign the temp address to start.next field and we will simply return the head node. Suppose this condition is also false, it means that our x is not present in the linked list. So we will simply print that x is not present. Now let's dry run this code to get more understanding. Suppose we have a linked list which contain only one element, which is 10, and our x is also 10. So our x value is also 10 and we want to insert a node y equal to 5. So we have to insert this y before 10. So first we will check in the while loop. Start.data not equal to x, that start and head is same. So start.data is equal to x. So we will come out of this while loop. This we have written purposely for a single node only. So in this start.data equal to x, this condition is true. So we will assign start value to temp.next. So here I have not written the temp condition, so then we have to write like this. So here in the temp node I am writing 5 and null. After that we will assign start to temp.next. So temp.next is, this is our temp and address is 2000. So start value is 1000. So here you can see that start value 1000 will be present now. After that we will assign temp value to head. So head will contain now that 2000. So head will point not here, head will point here, and after that we will return head. And now this is pointing to this node and our new head is this. So here you can see this is now our first node and this is our second node. So we have successfully inserted 5 before 10. Now let's see one more example which will give more clarity. So here I have created one linked list which contain 10, 20 and 30, and I have already created one temporary node with 25. So our x value in this case is 30. So we need to insert a node before 30. So now let's see how we can do this. So here in this while loop we are checking start.data not equal to x. So start and head is same. So start.data is not equal to x, it is 10. So this condition is true. After that we will check second condition, start.next not equal to null. So start.next is 2000, so it is not equal to null. So we will check third condition also, start.next.data is not equal to x. So start.next is 2000 and 2000 data is 20, so which is not equal to x. So condition is true. So we will increment the start pointer to start.next. So start will point now here. This is our start. Now again we will check start.data is not equal to x. Yes, start.data is 20, so which is not equal to x. So again we will check second condition, start.next not equal to null. So start.next is 3000. So 3000 is not equal to null. Condition is true. We will check the third condition. Start.next.data is not equal to x. Start.next is 3000 and 3000 dot data is 30. So 30 is equal to 30. So this condition is false. So we will come out of this while loop. So we will check start.data equal to x. So start.data is 20, which is not equal to x. So this if will not be executed. So we will come in the else if part. So in else if we will check start.next not equal to null. So start.next is 3000, which is not equal to null. So this condition is true. So we will check the second condition. Here start.next.data equal to x. So start.next Next is 3000 and 3000 dot data is equal to x. So this condition is true. Now we will come in the else if part. So here we are doing start dot next to temp dot next. So temp dot next is null currently and start dot next is 3000. So 3000 will come here. After that we will assign temp value to start dot next. So temp value is 2500 and start dot next field is this field. So in this place we will assign 2500. So this link will be broken and this will be like this and it is pointing to this node. So this link will be like this and we are returning the head node. So here you can see we have successfully inserted the 2500 with the value 25 before the node 30. Time complexity of both these programs are T of n equal to order of n in the worst case, because we need to traverse the whole linked list in the worst case. Here we are using 2 pointers start and q, and in the second case we are using only 1 pointer. Now let's see the running code to insert element y before x. Here I have already created one linked list with the element 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and I am printing this linked list as it is with this while loop. After that I have initialized one x and y with 10 and 25. So we need to insert the value 25 before 10. After that I am calling insert y before x method. So we will come here. Here we are creating one node with the data value y. After that we will check whether our linked list is empty or not. After that we will check, suppose our first element is our required element x or not. In the pseudocode I have not written this condition because I was assuming that first element is not our required element x, but while writing the code we should cover all the cases. So here I have included that first condition also, that our first node can be x. So if our first element is x, then we need to do some changes like this. After that we will return the head node. Suppose our first element is not our element, then we will simply iterate the linked list with the while loop. And after that we will check the data part and we will modify the links and we will return the head node. Now let's run this code. Here you can see the initial linked list was 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and the updated linked list is 25, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So we have successfully inserted 25 before 10. Now let's see with the single pointer how we can do this. So here I am just changing the method name. I have already written this method. So I am calling this method. This method is written with the single pointer. So here I am creating again new node, that temporary node. After that I am checking that our linked list is null or not. So after that we will iterate the linked list with the while loop. After that we will check the data part. If the start data is equal to x, then we will modify the links and return the head. Suppose this condition is not satisfied, then in the else part we will change the links as we have already discussed and we will simply return the head. Suppose this condition is also false, it means that our required element is not present in the linked list and we will return the head. Now I am running this code. Now here you can see this, that 10, 20, 30, 40 was present in the initial linked list and after the insertion 25, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 is the updated linked list. So 25 is successfully inserted in the linked list. Now we can test our program with different input. So in place of 10, I am changing the input as 70, and in place of y, I am writing 45. So we need to insert the data before 70. So I am calling insert y before x method. Here you can see we are getting message as node with data 70 is not present in the linked list. So our updated linked list will be same as the previous linked list. Thanks for watching the video. In this video we have seen how we can insert one element after a specific element or before a specific element. If you have liked this video, then please like, comment and share with your friends, and please subscribe our channel Unit Square.